Hello friends, myself Dr. Vikas Chattar, working as Livestock Development Officer at Government of Maharashtra. Friends, I am working on blood transfusion in large animal since last 4 years and doing research on it. While doing research on it, I have developed one kit named VCBT kit for easy blood transfusion in large animal. By using VCBT kit, we can do blood transfusion at field level easily and safely. Today we will discuss about use of VCBT kit for blood transfusion in large animal. Purpose of blood transfusion. Blood transfusion is life-saving therapy in cases of life-threatening conditions in diseases like theileriosis, babesiosis, anaplasmosis, where there is severe depletion of hemoglobin in blood occurs. Other conditions include severe blood loss due to trauma, cesarean section, or severe bleeding during disc decay and torsion. Doing blood transfusion by using VCBT kit is cost effective and it gives spectacular results. Now we will see steps of blood transfusion. First step is selection of donor. Second step is cross matching. Third step is collection of blood from donor. And fourth one is blood transfusion to recipient. Now we see selection of donor in detail. Donor should be healthy. Donor should be mature and non-pregnant. Should be docile and cooperative with body condition score more than 4. And most important is without history of hemoprotozoan diseases within last 6 months. After selection of donor, you have to do cross-matching. Cross-matching is important for safe blood transfusion. Though first transfusion is safe in animal, but still for safe transfusion, cross-matching is most important. Cross-matching has two types. First one is major cross-match, which is most important and routinely done at field level. Second one is minor cross-match, which is less important as compared to major cross-match. Now, we see procedure of doing major cross-match. Before doing major cross-match, you have to collect blood from donor as well as recipient and serum from donor as well as recipient. Take 2 drops of donor blood on slide and 2 drops of serum or plasma from recipient on slide. Mix it properly and wait for 2 minutes. If micro or macro agglutination present, then this donor blood is incompatible for transfusion, and if micro or macro agglutination absent, then test is negative and donor blood is compatible with recipient blood. Second cross match is minor cross match. In minor cross match, you have to mix 2 drops of donor plasma or serum with 2 drops of recipient blood on slide and wait for 2 minutes. If macro or micro agglutination present, then donor blood is not compatible with recipient blood. And if macro or micro agglutination is absent, then donor blood is compatible with recipient blood. Next step in blood transfusion is blood collection from selected donor. We can collect 2-3 liter blood from adult animal. There is always doubt in mind of animal owner as well as vets about safety of donor after donation of blood. Whether drawing up 2 liter blood from donor is safe or not, and whether it will cause any side effect to donor. Answer is no. As per my experience, 2-3 liter blood collection doesn't cause any harm to donor. Let me explain in detail why drawing up 2-3 liter blood is safe from donor. Normal blood volume is in animal body is 8% of his body weight. That means if animal body weight is 500 kg, then this animal have 40 liter blood in his body. When 30 to 40% blood loss out of total blood volume occurs, then only there is chances of hemorrhagic shock. Means 30% of 40 liter blood comes 12 liter blood, and there is chances of hemorrhagic shock when 12 liter blood will lost rapidly from 500 kg body weight animal. This clears that drawing 2-3 liter blood will not cause any harm to donor animal. Now we see procedure of blood collection in detail. In animal blood collected from donor and collected blood is transfused immediately to recipient. By keeping this fact in mind, VCBT kit includes blood collection bag with anticoagulant and 2 BT set. 1 BT set for blood collection and second BT set for blood transfusion. While blood collection, you have to cut filter of 1 BT set and insert this cut end into blood collection bag as shown in video. Blood collection should be done aseptically from jugular vein as shown in video by using ready-to-use blood bag. Next step is transfusion of collected blood to recipient. Before starting transfusion, give antihistaminic to recipient. Restrain animal properly and after restraining by using second BT set, transfusion should start slowly as shown in video. Rate of administration depends upon anemic status and age of recipient, but you have to give blood slowly, drop by drop for first 30 minutes. Then onwards, you can increase rate of administration gradually. Always keep keen observation on blood transfusion reaction. Blood transfusion reaction start with piloerection and severe hiccuping of animal. Other signs of transfusion reaction includes labored breathing, swelling of eyelid and vulva, violent movement, etc. Transfusion reaction is rare in case of animal. You can avoid transfusion reaction by doing cross-matching properly. Still, in few cases, you will get transfusion reaction in spite of taking all care in cross-matching and transfusion procedure. In this way, we can do blood transfusion in large animals successfully by using VCBT kit. We vets always face the problem of availability of blood bag required for blood transfusion in large animals. So, we hesitate to do blood transfusion or we do blood transfusion with available resources but we won't get expected results. Keeping in view of all those things, VCBT kit is prepared so that vet can do blood transfusion easily and safely to save life of many speechless creatures on earth. Thank you.